Hey guys, this is Python Shorts here with a short Python video for you. This one's just about setting up variables, and lucky for us it's very easy in Python. You just put your variable name, we'll say x, you set it equal to something. You don't have to end this with a semicolon. There's no weird syntax, that's the beauty of Python. So now if we want to print x, this is going to be an integer. So let's just show what that's going to be. We're going to print the type of x. When we run that, we see 5 and int. Good. What if we wanted this to have decimals? Well, then we can just set it up with a decimal. Y equals 5.0, print y, print type y. We will see that 5.0 is a type float. These can also be converted from one to the other, so if we wanted to make x a float, we could say z equals float x. So now if we print z, and we print the type of z, we should see that that is also a float. Now, we can also set up strings this way. We'll say a equals, you can do single quotes or double quotes, Python shorts. And we'll do print a and print type of a. And we see Python shorts and it's a string. So we can also, similarly to how we converted that integer to a float, we can convert any of those to a string. So let's take our z variable, which we converted into a float, and let's convert that into a string. So now if we print b and we print the type of b, we should see that that is now 5.0 is a string. So the nice thing about having string variables is that they can be concatenated or connected with other string variables. So if we say c equals a, which is Python shorts, plus b, our string variable, oops, they are case sensitive, so I accidentally typed a capital there and that would have thrown an error. So now we see Python shorts 5.0, it combined a Python shorts plus the string of z. But what if we don't make that a string first? What if we instead say d equals, and let's take our float variable y plus our word Python shorts, and we'll try to do that. So this should show an error saying that you can't concatenate a string plus a float. And that's the same with integers. You can't concatenate an int plus a string either. So this is all good and all. Now let's say we want to set up several variables at a time. So you can do multiple variables at the same time, like this. Here, let's do some prints. Print x, print y, oops, y, print z. There you go. So there's a quick little intro to variables. Let me know in the comments below if this was helpful, or give me a thumbs up. Thank you guys for your time. We'll talk to you later. Bye.